I am in front of the Natural Science Museum in Houston, but actually not quite. This is the annex. So it's a much smaller version and it's located in Sugar Land, southwest Houston. So it's pretty much everything you have at the big museum, but in a smaller scale. Mostly the permanent exhibit. So I'm gonna quickly give you a tour so that you get your idea whether you want to visit it or not. Of course, don't expect the same as the big museum. And if you're interested in the big museum, I will put the link in the description below, given I did a full video, 30 minutes. This one is going to be much shorter, but it's a fun place. We've already been with the girls. It is small, but pretty well done. A few differences, and they have a few different attractions or events. For instance, they have a haunted house for Halloween that they don't have in the main museum. So it's complimentary, and if you don't live too far away, it's actually a nice stop for a couple of hours. During the weekend, it's never that crowded and busy. So let's get in. Oh, you remember? We never did that one, huh? That's for the smaller kids. Angeli did it once, I think. No, this is for the small kids.
Oh, look at this turquoise one.
You've seen one?
Turquoise, yeah.
Turquoise? Where's? Oh,
Right
wow. Yeah, that's a pretty neat. Yeah, it looks beautiful.
Which one is that one?
You don't want to touch it, but yeah, for sure. Did you find any other? We saw the blue one over there behind the leaves. Yeah.
I'm trying to find the golden one.
The golden one hiding somewhere.
So if you're going to hold it all the way flat, yeah, there we go. Now rub it just like that. Yeah, you can rub it and the lines will come through.
Oh, that's cool.
Here. They diapause in the winter. They slow down their metabolism and often have to
I think you can get a little more here.
plant debris behind.
There we go. Looks great. Okay, so you can take it out and you're welcome to color
So
it
yeah,
if
this
you'd
is all
like
about
to.
what they do in the winter, how they survive.
So
that's cool. I forgot that was there. Okay.
Just like that. It's beautiful like that.
Check sister
Do is
here.
take one of these. You can pick whatever color you want, and then just
You might be able to get
go like
an
this. Do
eraser
it
at home and
flat.
just kind of erase some of this
So you want to
stuff.
make
Yeah.
it flat, like that. Like that. There you go. Good job.
Ooh, pretty
Nice
cool.
job. Okay. I think you got it. Just yeah, the legs. Make sure you got the legs. I think you did it. Good job. Outstanding. Now do you want to color it?
You can look in some of these. These ones are really interesting if you want to grab one of these magnifying glasses.
Look at those.
Take a look at all of these different bugs we've got here.
Scorpion.
Some of them are insects and some are not insects. So this is, you get to figure out which one of those is an insect. One is an insect and one is not. That's an insect. How did you figure that out so quickly? That's right, 6 legs. And this, do you think that's more than 6 legs? That's a trick question. A lot more than 6 legs. That's a centipede. And it was named because when people first saw it, they thought it had 100 legs.
Well, yeah,
It doesn't.
Santa. Yeah, it doesn't.
have 100 legs, but it's got a lot of legs. And how about those two? Which one is an insect and which one is not an insect? And you can tell me, look at those pictures. One of those is an insect and one is not an insect. That's an insect. Is that right?
What do they do? Oh, they follow your fingers? That is so cool. So they explain, a negatively charged electrode in the middle of the ball produces an electric field. When you touch the ball, electrons pass through the gas inside the ball to the edge because your body provides a path for the electrons to escape. Yeah.
And I don't feel anything when I touch this. I have the power. It's
Yeah. Pretty cool, no?
power.
Power. You got the power.
I have the power.
Let me get the power. Oh yeah, I got the power too. Whoa. Yeah. All right. Phosphorescent room. You want a picture?
Step one, press. Oh, we need to read. No, wait. Step
Oh, you
one,
want me in the
press
picture?
button, stand in front of the wall behind you and pose.
Okay, go. I press, you pose. All right, go. Hey, pretty cool, no? You want to do it again?
Good job.
Do something crazy.
Okay, Here. Wait.
You ready? All right, let me do that again. You're moving too much. I don't think it's gonna work. See, it doesn't work.
Ready. Do it one more time.
Okay, you have to stand and do a weird. Okay. That's good. That one is really good. Yeah. Angeli, you went away too quick.
Barely there. Just barely there.
I hope you are enjoying this tour of this small but very interesting and practical museum. If you are, please hit the thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel.
Here, Mike, could you hold this?
Yes.
Can I do it?
It's really well done, huh? You can see the horse. You look at the horse.
Yeah, I am.
It's running, huh? Pretty cool. Very well
Do
done.
this again.
Oh, again? Wow, that's good exercise actually.
Raise it to the top.
Are you reading the explanation on why?
No.
But that's what the interesting part is to read. Girls. All right.
I've
So,
officially done
which
it.
block is harder to lift?
Already.
It's already down, and Sophie, this one. See?
Oh.
I think you've got to see.
Yeah, the lift. Oh.
Don't hurt yourself.
Let me do this one.
I don't know. Oh, you need to look at the above.
Here?
Okay, yeah, continue.
Hello. Is anybody home? What do they want us to do here?
Well, you need to read the instructions.
Oh, stare at the square. Which color combine to make
Make other colors. Okay, you're working with colors. Hey, you just made red, no? That's gonna, yeah, kind of greenish. But you did make red. See?
Yeah, right.
Look, that was like red.
Violet. Oh, dark pink. No. Now we need to kind of green. Oh, I like these. That's dark blue.
Yeah.
Alright, let's lay these out for the next person.
And what happens if you put red and green? Almost black, huh? Almost. Woo. So what's happening here? You've got the air stream holding the ball up. Yes. Another cool one here. What's that one? Okay, what happens when they are immersed in the oils? Can you see the... Wow, they're almost impossible to see, huh, the rods when they're in the oil.
Yeah, almost.
They're completely... but these ones you can see. Look at this. On that side, they are completely invisible inside the water almost. Hard to see, but on the other side you can. So it all depends. They're explaining everything to you on the refraction of the glass. Okay. The glass rods on the right and the mineral oil bend light in the same way, so the rods disappear in the mineral oil. Very interesting. The two substances that bend light the same amount have the same index of refractions. The rods on the left are visible, yes, because they have a different index of refraction. Very interesting, but apparently the girls are not too much into explanations. They already went into the next fun thing to do here. What's that? So you have wood, stone. Which wheel is the easiest to spin to stop? Okay. Well, they're already on to the next one. It goes too quick here. What's that one? All right, hold on. Swing the pendulum and then turn the disc below it. Watch what happened to the pendulum swing when the disc rotates. Oh, you've got magnets and that disturbs the pendulum, I think. Okay, yes, do it. See, it's not gonna go straight. Well, I don't know, it hasn't really changed the way it swung. Periodic table of the elements. That's a pretty cool one. Touch the screen. Choose one. What do you want? Helium? Do you know where helium is? Or oxygen? That's hydrogen here.
This is helium.
Helium is there. All these are the rare gases. Argon, krypton, xenon, all these are rare gases. Here is oxygen. Look. Wow, Lawrencium. Wow, you went into the heavy ones. Okay, they call it noble gases. Rare in French, we call it rare gases because you don't have that much in the atmosphere. Barium. That is barium. And see, it tells you the reaction with water. Thorium, okay. This, look at carbon. That's a very common one. Carbon. See, carbon plus oxygen gives you CO2. Look at that. Does it work?
Oh, I see. This is
See?
liquid, this is solid, and this is gas.
Exactly. Exactly. The different state of matters. You are very smart. Look how much it moves here in the liquid.
Yeah.
It does move, huh? But not much. And then solid, nothing. You see the difference, Angie?
Oh.
Between the gas here, everything moves very, very quickly. Solid, nothing moves. And liquid, it's slow, but they do move.
Cool.
Cool, huh? Ah, look at the tongue, eh? Look at the fossils here. Hey, girls, remember the one Daddy showed you at the ranch? That was just the same as this one, a bit smaller, but that was the one here. Remember? Ammonite. Oh, and the eggs. Wow. Dinosaur egg over there. That would be dinosaur, elephant bird, ostrich.
I think that's the one that we tried to dig up.
Did you see the eggs? Dinosaur eggs, what they would look like?
Those are perfect.
Yeah, they're, yeah. That's a sloth. Wow. So, what are you doing on that one? You're not sure? Oh wow, I see. That's all right. Which bag is easier to lift? Did you try?
This one, this one, this one.
This one?
Say something. Those four, really? Wow.
You think you're on something, Sophie? Yeah?
I remember this area. I need double the power.
Double power? Oh wow, indeed, double power. Wow, pretty good progress, huh? Almost, oh, Angie, it's not helping you? Because you got it almost all out. Angie? Pretty good. Yeah, we got the big one, otherwise right here. Smaller one here. There are a lot of skeletons. But this is a cool one. It's a nice little